สบายดีครับพี่น้องวันนี้เห็ดขั่วผัดเผ็ดไก่นะครับพี่น้องเห็ดผัดเผ็ดไก่ซอยสักก้อนซอยแล้วก็มาขั่วจังสิเด้อพี่น้องใกล้สิสุกเลยนี่ That's almost done curry chicken today this almost done. You know what to put in here? I put carrot, I put curry, then I put salady, and carrot, and onion, and sauce and pepper, and soy sauce, and a little bit MSG. Tastes good, man. Without MSG, don't taste good. And this one is a rice soup. This one, rice soup, and we'll put in here garlic, and green onion, cilantro, chicken, and rice, and I think a little bit egg. A little bit egg. I think one egg. Tastes good too. Two things cooked today. This for my dinner. This for my dinner too. And after leftover, I'm gonna take this to work tomorrow. Eat for my lunch. This for my dinners. Rice soup and chicken and egg and cilantro, green onion, a little bit garlic flavor, sauce and pepper, soy sauce, a little bit MSG, and now they are more cooking. Look at that. Wonderful, huh? Wonderful. It tastes good. Wait. They are more done. Really soon. And it's still up a little bit. You should have well done cooked. I mean, it's good for you. It's medium, not good. Have to be well done cooked. Stir a little bit. Make sure they're all cooked. A little bit coughing. Got two stoves. One stove over here, two stoves right there, and three stoves, four stoves. That one's empty. That's empty too. It's only two right here is cooking right now. I'll heat it up a little bit. Take a little bit longer before they cook. You see it going? See it going boiling? This will taste yummy. Yummy. And this one tastes yummy too. For rice soup. And this one curry chicken. And what I put in there, curry chicken, carrot, salady. You can't even say salad. Forgot about it, probably. Alright, bye guys, see ya. You gotta go eat now. I think it's cooked. I just heat it up, you know. I've been cooked it's an afternoon. It's now I heat it up. Bye bye. Sorry, coffee.